In today's fast-paced corporate world, companies need a competitive edge to succeed. That is where we come in. Our company is all about training and development. We specialize in leadership skills, team building, e-learning, and content development. We believe that a company is only as strong as its employees. That's why we offer customized training and development programs to help your team reach their full potential. Our content development team creates engaging and informative training materials that align with your company's goals and objectives. Our leadership seminars provide your executives with the tools and strategies they need to lead with confidence and inspire their teams. And our team-building activities foster a sense of collaboration and teamwork, building a stronger, more cohesive team. We have helped countless organizations improve their productivity, efficiency, and bottom line. Let us do the same for you.